The dragon fruit is a wonderful tropical fruit that you can grow in your yard. And we just picked this the other day, and I've been putting it in the refrigerator to kind of cool it down. And so we are going to unveil the inside of this. Now remember, there's different varieties. This one is the white varieties, but there's also a red variety, which is really beautiful. I have another little tip. I think I twisted it off the plant, if you recall, and it did kind of pull off some of this skin. So if you're not going to be eating it right away, you might want to use a snippers and just snip it off, because it did kind of damage and get down to the fruit right there. So maybe a clippers might have been a better choice for that. So just a little tip for you. Now I've seen people cut them this way, but I'm going to cut mine this way, going end to end. And are you ready for this reveal? Wow, that looks pretty good. So that is the inside. This is the white. That pink is just amazing. So it looks pretty good. It almost looks like poppy seeds. So we're gonna try this. I'm just gonna use a spoon, kind of like an avocado, and just take it out and take a bite. Now you don't get much of the pink part when you're eating this. It just kind of looks like that. And we're gonna give it a try. Let's see how it is. It's good. It's very light, kind of like a kiwi without that kind of bite at the end. So this is supposedly the least flavorful variety. I didn't know that at the time. I was like, oh, cool, dragon fruit, I'm buying that. So I would say the yellow is the sweetest, and then the red, and then this one. However, I happen to have a miracle berry in my yard, miracle fruit berry, which makes everything super sweet. So I'm gonna do this. I've never done this before. So what you do with this berry is when you put it in your mouth, you don't swallow the seed, and then it changes your palate. It makes everything super sweet. So I'm gonna see how this and this fruit go together. So let's pop it in. You kind of bite on it. It's kind of tastes like monk fruit. Has that kind of weird, sorry, I'm chewing and talking at the same time. Anyway, you just have a seed. It has this flesh. I mean, you can really work that off if you want. And then there's also, you can eat the skin. It's fine. All right. So that supposedly changed my palate. So we're going to see how this regular old dragon fruit tastes now. That's the way to do it. You want to get both of these in your yard. Keep growing. Enjoy your tropical fruits. These are super high in antioxidants and have good fiber in them, so they're great for your body. And they're nice and cool. It's just great on a hot day. So keep gardening. If you like what you see, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, get the bell. Get more to come. If you have a plant you haven't seen yet and you want to learn about it, leave a comment below. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Keep gardening.